Hello French lovers and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's course is about grammar. In French, verbs ending in er are the most common types of verb. They follow a regular pattern in conjugation. If you're interested to learn them, watch my previous video. And don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. There are some exceptions to conjugate the verbs ending in er. Let's explore them together. Some ER verbs have an irregular stem in certain conjugations. For example, the verb aller. Je vais, tu vas, il, elle va, nous allons, vous allez, ils, elles vont. Certain ER verbs undergo spelling changes in order to maintain the pronunciation. These changes occur in je, tu, il, elle singular, il, elle plural forms. For instance, the verb acheter. J'achète, tu achètes, il, elle achète, nous achetons, vous achetez, il, elle achète. And also the verb appeler. J'appelle, tu appelles, il, elle appelle, nous appelons, vous appelez, il, elle appelle. Some ER verbs have stem changes in specific conjugations. The most common types are verbs with E to accent aigu or verbs with E to accent grave changes. For example, préférer. Je préfère, tu préfères, il, elle préfère, nous préférons, vous préférez, il, elle préfère. Now it's your turn. Can you write the conjugation of the verb céder in the comment?